Thanks for the invitation to talk here. Since the audience is small, we can make this interactive. So if you feel like asking a question, don't hold back. What I talk about is really mathematics, but there is a strong connection to data analysis. And I try to find the words to explain this connection. In some sense, it's philosophical, namely in a way of trying to figure out what is the underlying problem that you're dealing with in data analysis, and is there a unified framework that helps organize things. And I think topology is a good step. It's not enough, but it clears up the confusion that very easily enters otherwise. And as Andreas said, that this computational topology started actually only maybe 20 years ago, maybe 15 years ago. And I remember at the time, somehow I had this, I don't know, crazy idea that computational topology should be practiced. And I talked about it, and then later topologists told me that they were very surprised because they thought that everything that's worth computing in topology is not computable, or very difficult, or very slow. And that's why, in fact, nobody really took it serious to do computational topology until 15, 20 years ago. In the meantime, the computational inroads are pretty strong, and there's very fast software. Maybe not fast enough for what you have in mind, but maybe almost. Okay. So I'm from IST Austria. This is a new university near Vienna. It's a kind of a mixture of a research institute and a university at the moment, because it's a startup, only 5 years old. But it's developing. It's a very interesting place. That's the reason I came back to Europe. And here are the topics. I wanna start with classification, which is at the heart, I would say, of data analysis. But I would like to then focus on two aspects of classification, namely how it relates to shape, which is a bit more general a concept, and also how it relates to scale. And in doing so, I introduce certain concepts, and then at the end, I talk a little bit about applications. Okay, classification.